sakho kutemlilo nangetindlela letihlukile. Sesiwendile silo sikhulu siyadzingidze ma-policies sesibheke kwekuthi nyalo baphume labafanele silo bayobona khona kaSADC kwendlula kuSADC babuke umhlaba wonke kwekuthi vele lo mthetho lotakwenda lokhu ingwenyama leseyikushito utaba ngumthetho lonjani. Iphalamende yakho silo seme ngemumo odlaliselwa wena kunene mangithumile silo sikhulu sive sakho kuthi sikubikele dlaliselwa kuthi nawe you hold a special place in our hearts. Silo sikhulu ngihlonipho lenkulu dlaliselwa bengicela wena nongangetintsaba kuthi uvusele sive sakho uvusele SADC uvusele umhlaba wonke bayethe wena okunene uyimbube uyesabeka.
Wena emalokothango umnyama lo sentambelo emalokothango njengenyama yesibanda. Ingane inyama yesibanda mswazi omnyama isamnande kuphekweni mnande koseni. Uthuma kuyasamba ube kungamabhudlo. Uthuma phansi bakuzwa ngesingcingo bakubalekela msakandaba. Wena ke Mswati kulo ingongoni emdlonga kangwane. Ingane inele yawuvusa kwayikwethuka bakamagagula kadokolwa ko. Bathe bahlala bunhlalu. Uye kwethukane bakagamane bakamnisi. Hawuna manje olumangelo wena waphakathi liyelana langa khawulitati betithi ngizamqolo wena mbekwa kuphuma langa netinzabatalo lona la siliyawushona kwabe sekuhintela tikhulu nemalangeni lijuba la kuthatha la kubeka isikolweni eNgilandi unele kufika wona Mswati wase uba indlaluselwa wase uyayibamba ipenseli ngisho lagwazana nangayo mgwaze gijima usile mbubele ebhodle ngesha kwetilwandle uye kwatamatama livela Mswati timbi batiyeta phuma busakala latingweta qele embunzini apha emzimba ingani bethi ibona ingwenyama ehlane ehlula umbutho wena ke mkhombo elanga kangwani ingani ilanga liphuma etsheni lapha ekhaka ngosikati tingabisa tekhane safenta gijima tawutekela boni nemakhaya una labaphume base balhlolana ngato tikhala temaguma ngakho sethi vengonyane lemnya lapha sethi biyembunga umvemvu wakithwela usaseni awuhlali phasi wesabathi nduli hliziyo lemhlophe ngekwehlule mangemadotsa ngoya welisundu ngekusha kuye kuphephuka emadala wena msawahili kahili unelula ke kubusene ekhane tsafeni uduma kwakho Mswati kuye kwaunyakatisa umhlaba wonkana bangangawe mbube emhlaba wena waphakathi ayethe
Sinahlala phasi madame.
Emakhosikazi bantu abenkosi Ndvunankulu emabandle kweluleka tikhulu lijaji lelikhulu lisekela la Ndvunankulu tindvuna tembuso labamele emave kuleli bacondzisi netindlu totimbili teparlamente lobuke sigodzi salapha kamanzini timenywa letibalulekile nanonke bekunene nalobuke libutho lakafaya nani nonke mabutho akafaya sinivusele kumatsapha.
Emakhosikazi, Your Royal Highnesses, Prime Minister, Councillors, Chiefs, the Chief Justice, Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, presiding officers, and members of both Houses of Parliament, the Regional Administrator for the Manzini region, distinguished guests, the Chief Fire Officer, and all ranks and file of the Eswatini National fire and emergency services in the kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all here in Matsapa.
Bekunene kuyintokoto lenkulu ukuthi namuhla sibuthene lapha kuMathapha airport la khona sto kuba lusuku letokuqisha lelibutho letokuqisha umlilo eveni phinze futhi kube lisuku leli lapho khona lelibutho solo lasungulwa lihlanganisa mashumi lasihlanu solo laba khona eveni lisebenza umsebenzi lomuhle ebekunene.
It is indeed a great joy for us to be here this day here at Matsapa Airport to celebrate the second edition of the National Fire Day, inasmuch as it affords us an opportunity to celebrate 50 years of anniversary since the establishment of the Eswatini National Fire Emergency and Rescue Services in the kingdom.
Bekunene elangeni lelinjena lelanga lete kuqisha umlilo sinemukelana onke kulomsebenzi kuba khona kwenu kukhulu kakhulu utosekela lona libutho leteqisha umlilo sithathe nekumukela nalababuya ngaphandle nabo lababonala ukuthi bo chief fire lababuya esigodini se region kuSadaki uthi nonke nitivele nemukelekile bekunene.
I take this occasion to welcome you all to this great ceremony here today. Your presence here today is indeed of great impact and meaning to us, and we applaud and appreciate your presence here to support our National Fire Day. Inasmuch as I would like to welcome the heads of the various fire emergencies in the region, the chief fire officers of the SADC region who are here to join us today on this great occasion.
Kini libutho leqisha temlilo lona ngomnyaka wesibili ni kubanakala sawe ukuthi sihlangane kanjena sto kubhala usuku lokuqisha imlilo angisho ukuthi kulo msebenzi lenwendako kuyabonakala ukuthi cha niqeqeshiwe sibili umsebenzi wenu muhle kakhulu libutho leqisha umlilo.
Firefighters, this is your second edition of the National Fire Day. I must say how glad and inspired I am to see all of you well-trained and prepared to serve the king and country. This is indeed your day here today.
Eminyakeni emuva lebutho leteqisha umlilo lalingasilo lelibese lenda nema drills njoba niwenda nikhombise ukuthi imitimba iqinile bekuba libutho nje lelatiwa ukuthi tawuthi ngabuthwa lisebenze nje ukucisha imililo kepha ke kule minyaka lemibili kuyabonakala ukuthi lizinga lenu liyakhula kakhulu senende ama drills nikhombisa imitimba yenu ukuthi ihlakazekile ikahle iphilile engatini emoyeni emphefumulweni libutho leqisha umlilo.
Firefighters, in previous years, firefighters were recruited and sent out to do their fire rescue operations in the kingdom. But since last year, the firefighters have begun to learn various drills demonstrating their physical fitness and preparedness to serve the country wherever they are needed. I must say how glad am I to see your physical fitness and the drills displayed before us here today, showcasing your readiness to serve wherever you are called upon in the kingdom.
Libutho le cishe umlilo kujabulisa kakhulu ukukhanza umdlandla kini usedulu kakhulu nikhombisa live ukuthi na nithatha sinqumo nesifungo sekuthi ndawo defender live noma ngabe ngisiphi isimo lesibonalisa ukuthi sihambelana netemililo niyavele niphume nete ukuthi kungagcini lapho netemanti nangabe khona kumbe lesibathole ukuthi sebathole tingoti emantini etimotweni netingoti tonke nje general leti khona ngekwehlukahlukana kukhombisa ukuthi umdlandla wenu usedulu noma ngabe kulikhuni noma ngabe kunjani nine nawuba i-front line lana ubonalisa ukuthi nginawuhamba embili live liphephe sive siphephe kuleso sigaba libutho lecishe umlilo.
Firefighters, I am encouraged to see the zeal and inspiration that you demonstrate here today during your various drills. I am encouraged to see that you still hold your oath of office that you took when you joined the fire and rescue services. Today, I am pleased that you continue to demonstrate your bravery and courage wherever you will be called upon in other accidents, be it on the roads, water, or any other accidents where a Maswati may find need of your courageous and bravery in serving our nation.
Ngibe nathuloqina libutho lekucisha umlilo na nikhombisa ukuthi yini imisebenzi napho kubonakala khona ukuthi nasenibitiwe ukuthi nihambe nosebenza ningafike ni perform kanjani na ubuka i-performance yenu kufaka ekhathi kubonakala ukuthi kungaba dinyoka kungaba tehlakalo tetingoti ngekwehlukahlukana senikhombisile ukuthi live lingaba natholoqina ukuthi nanikhona nini kude lokutawulidla kude lokutakwendeka ngeke liphathame live emaswati onke nalaba ufika ngalaka kangwane bawukhanza simo sikhona sekubafikela libutho lecishe umlilo.
I must say, firefighters, that I've been encouraged and strengthened in seeing you demonstrate your various rescue operation tactics that you have so demonstrated well here today. I am ensured that the nation, seeing how you demonstrated your rescue operations in snake catching, aircraft maneuvers, and house and other various services that you do offer here today, have showcased openly to the nation that you firefighters are ready, able and willing to meet every challenge face to face.
Libutho lecishe umlilo nasibona nale equipment lenisebenzisako libonala ukuthi nanayo seyivele ihambisana nesimanje manje sekuthi namhla impilo ikanjani iyabonakala le equipment ukuthi kulesimo sanamuhla njengoba ibukele okunyenti ibuke ema high buildings njengoba nelive selinetakhiwo lesetiphakeme kakhulu kubonala ukuthi ningasaleli ngemuva kube kungavela tingoti etindzaweni letifana netitezi kukhanze ukuthi ngekuthi kumbe kude equipment lekahle kuze kuvele imonakalo ngetindzawo nekwehlukahlukana kungaba emakhiweni kungaba kusetindzabeni njengoba sinetindzaba letinze la ukhandza ukuthi kuhle kuba nemonakalo khona kepha-ke nasibona utonge le equipment le nithwele iyakhomba ukuthi noma ngangisiphi isimo i-capability lenayo ndawo khona kusebenza lo msebenzi ngalokufanele libutho lakafana.
Firefighters, I must say that I've been pleased to see how you have embraced cutting-edge technology and modern-day equipment that you utilize in your service, where we have seen the emergence of high-rise buildings here in the kingdom. The sophisticated equipment that you have within your shores shall accord you the ability to meet every challenge as we now have high-rise buildings in the kingdom, be it mountains or any other challenge that we might face as a nation. You are well equipped.
Naloku jabulisako ukuthi noma ikhona le equipment le nifanele nisebenzise senikhombisile ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga le equipment ngeke ikone kufinyelela yawufinyelela tindzambo letifuna bantu labaqinile emtimbeni ngoba nawuphakama ngale tindzambo ushona letulu kungenteka ukuthi lophu la ngakuwe nangabe ungakendeki kahle kepha-ke namuhla nikhombisile ukuthi niyakhona ngesibinzi lesikhulu ngoba ema-heights ahamba lethe neluvalo kumuntu athi nje nakabukwa phansi umbona sashawa siyeti angasekhoni kuma kahle kepha-ke namuhla nikhombisile i-capability ukuthi niyakhona kwenda noma ngasimo lesinjani noma ngalesimo sinebungoti lobukhulu nikhombise umdlandla lokeni ukuthi kude lokutawunehlula ngoba kuphephisa timpilo tesive ngona lokumqoka kakhulu libutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, I've also been pleased to know that even though your sophisticated equipment might fail you from time to time, but you have developed your bodies into human machines that now can be able to traverse difficult situations whenever need will be needed or your help will be needed. You will be able to reach that particular destination. I have seen how these human machines that you have so become can now even use ropes to climb and access difficult situations and rescue people from those situations. I am encouraged and inspired to see your courage and bravery in every challenge that might be before you, firefighters.
Ngiye ngikhumbule emuva ukuthi emuva nakusaqala lelibutho la lisebenzisa kubonakala ukuthi kwakuthiwa tibhulo kwakuvele kuthathwe nje tihlahla nemagcembe abekwe ukuthi ke ungavela loyo mlilo loyo lovelako usebenzise tibhulo umlilo ngalesinye isikhathi ukhanze ukuthi ngoba nani isebenza ngetibhulo usebenza emandla kakhulu umlilo futhi ngalesinye isikhathi utana ngalilaka lelikhulu lomlilo bese ukhanza ukuthi ha umlilo soyeqa so uzocela kuletinye tindzawo ngoba kude le equipment lefuneka inike protection naniye kuyawucisha umlilo namuhla ke siyabona ukuthi ngale equipment lekhona noma umlilo ngawunjani uhamba nesivungu sihusha semoya niyawukhona nine ukuthi nitivikele nikuphindze nikhone nekunqoba loyo mlilo loyo ukuthi awu kuhle kakhulu lokho libutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters are recalled in times past when the nation was faced with wildfires or outrunning fires. We used to use traditional means of stopping fires that was even requiring from us much effort without the necessary equipment and PPE to prevent those fires from engulfing us as a nation. I am quite pleased to date that we do have the necessary equipment and PPE that will enable you as firefighters to stop any fire wherever it might be in the kingdom, because you now have all the necessary equipment to stop outrunning fires.
Naloku kutsatako libutfo letecisha umlilo ukuthi siyinakelele imvelo. Imvelo singayithathi njengesitha noma ngabe seyingene endlini siyithathe kwati nje ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga utayikhanza imvelo ikhona la endlini nje uma nje nikhombisile ukuthi kuyakwe kungena intinyoka njengoba tinyoka tiyahamba ufuke ngalelinye ilanga seyingene ekhaya kuthi ke nikhombise ukuthi indlela lesenisebenza ngayo akusasiko ukuthi sithi singabona inyoka uthi ayibulawe kepha ke itfolakala indlela ukuthi siyithathe kahle siyifake kahle lapho kuphephe khona siyithathe soyibeka kahle enzaweni la itawuqhubeka yanzise naletinye tinyoka eveni live litokwati ukuthi njoba tinyoka netilwane tadalwa nguNkulunkulu sifanele sihlale siphile nato ngemoya lomuhle hayi ngemoya wekuhlukubedana libutho lecisha umlilo.
Firefighters, nature is a part of us, and we must protect nature by all means as a kingdom. I've been glad to see that in your shores you have able people, well-trained, to sometimes come into our houses and collect nature that is taken aboard in our houses. Snakes are not for killing, but snakes, when they have entered in one's house, they need to be safely taken out of that particular house and taken to reptile parks or nature parks where they will continue to replicate and increase in the kingdom. It is for that reason that eMaSwati must learn that we must cohabit with nature in the kingdom for nature to continue to flourish.
Libutfo letecisha umlilo siyati ukuthi labaphile emuva bangathatha ukuthi nawo thatha inyoka endlini ekhaya ushiya umkhokha ikakhulu na utawushiya nje iphilile ungakayibulali ngoba kwayakwatiwe lemuva bekwatiwa ukuthi inyoka ingangena endlini angeke nje tingenele ukuthi ifane yathi beyibona ngani lendlu ingashoni lena kuye be naleyo ngolo ukuthi lenyoka le kuyabe kusho ukuthi ithunywe ngubani lenyoka le uthi ayitogilatika kepha ke namuhla sesiyafunza ukuthi cha noma ngabe inemkhokha asiyibambe kahle nje siyikhokhe kahle endlini iyofakwa kahle sakeni kuhle ngoba iyagcinwa negcinwa nangabe loyo msakathi bekayithumele akaphenzi ayithole libutho lecisha umlilo.
In times past, firefighters, it was known that when a snake enters your house, it could be as a result of witchcraft that has been sent to one's house, because no one could fathom how a snake could identify its entrance into one's house. But today we are glad that firefighters are well equipped to collect these snakes, even though we might have those beliefs that a snake has been sent by witches, but you are there to come and collect that snake into a safe area where even the witch himself, even if he had possessed that snake, will never have access to that snake because it will be within your shores and within safekeeping.
Libutho letecisha umlilo sidumisa ukuthi kongeleleni kwendawo kuyabonakala ukuthi niyadiqeqesha njoba umlando uyashwe ukuthi nakuqalwa tekucisha umlilo eSwatini bese sisebenza nemangisi emuva eminyakeni ophelile nje bekakhona lo bekakhona nakuqalwa umsebenzi wekucisha umlilo kepha ke namuhla seni advancele ukuthi kubonakalise ukuthi ngoba live nalikhula netidingeko tekhula nani ngalapha kutecisha umlilo kutaba netidingeko ukuthi konkeleni kwendawo nekhule ngesigaba siyabona ke ukuthi nebhala nalikhula live aningasaleli ngemuva ngetraining nangeequipment nangako konke flexibility kubonakalisa ukuthi esimeni lesinebungoti nakhona usebenzisa umqondo masinyane kwendele ukuthi ekugcineni kuphephe sive konke lokho siyakudumisa kakhulu elibutho letecisha umlilo.
I would like to applaud you firefighters for your diligence in continuous training programs as a service in the kingdom. I'm aware that in times past, we used to have the British amongst us, as evidenced by last year. The first chief fire was here amongst us, but I'm glad that since your takeover as firefighters from the British, you have continued in developmental programs in advanced technologies and equipment that has been in your shores since your establishment 50 years ago. I must say that your growth is indeed needed in the kingdom because your vigilance and alertness is critical in saving the nation in the various rescue operations where you will be called upon.
Kulo libutho lecisha umlilo kuyajabulisa kubona nesimo sekwe ukuthi live nalikhula nidadisha konke lokukhona eveni nidadishe tekubuka njengoba nibekile nje nakhomba tetakhiwo tetindzaba tetindisa nidadishe nase kuvela imonakalo kuma chemicals labonakalisa ukuthi anebungoti anekulimata sive nidadishe konke lokho ukuthi nani yakuleso simo leso ndawo yakanjani nifike nisite kanjani sive kungaleso sigaba leso konke lokho le nikhombisile namuhla kuyakhomba ukuthi cha niyaqeqeshwa sibili lapha futhi niyabonala ukuthi anike menzawonye niyaqhubeka niyamasterisha ndiniketa lwati lolukhulu lesitonikhuthaza ngako namuhla ukuthi lo mdlandla lenawo qhubekani nawo libutho letecisha umlilo.
I am pleased, firefighters, on your continuous pursuit to excellence that has been demonstrated here today as you continue to research and study on the various obtaining challenges that are in the kingdom, be it high-rise buildings, aircraft maneuvers, or even chemical factories that we have in the kingdom. You study on the relevant gear that you need to wear in enabling you to stop or rescue people in various circumstances. I must applaud you for your continuous pursuit to excellence, and I'm glad that the nation is indeed safe within your hands.
Limuthu la tekucisha umlilo lesibonga kusibonga bonke laba lebe baniqeqesha ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi batiniketile ithuba lelingilo labafanele baniqeqeshe ngalo senine sigaba lesihle sekutheni umlibana uyembili njoba tekucisha umlilo tiyawube solo tiqhubekela embili seniyawusale nani kubonakala ukuthi sekune standard lesisethiwe la ngafaya lesitawusale kuba ngeso lesawugatha live lihlale liphephile ukuthi umsebenzi uyadumiseka kakhulu libutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, I'd like to applaud your instructors who have done their job well. This is evidenced by your various drills and capabilities that you hold today. It is because of your instructors that have diligently applied themselves in producing these human machines that I'm seeing before me here today. The standard has already been set, and future generations will now take leaf from the standard set here today, and I'm glad to all your instructors.
Libutho letekucisha umlilo sengaba nesixwayiso siveni ukuthi noma nani niwenda umsebenzi wekucisha umlilo kumqoka esigabeni sekutheni nesive njengoba lengaphandle siye sibonalise ukuthi siyababela tindzawo lapha nalapha kwendele ukuthi kumbe kubonakale ukuthi nasekunelitulu bese leyo ndzawo leyo iyajika seyiba nebuluhlata seyiba nelihlata libutho letekucisha umlilo ukuthi sive nasitawuyenda leyo msebenzi yekuthi sisebenzise imlilo kumqoka lokuthi sibambisane nelibutho letekucisha umlilo libakwadi kubika njengoba besilendansi nje emsebenzini webutimba bekukhona kubambisana lokukhulu ubonakala ukuthi ngoba umlilo unebungoti lobukhulu ningathi nina niyasebenza nje niconze buhle bese uyaphunyuka umlilo ukuthi live lonke na kukhona lapho lenda umsebenzi kungaba njengoba nemasimini ngalelinye ilanga kuya kushiswe kubonakale ukuthi kushiselwa ukuthi lo msebenzi noma lokulinyiwe kutobe sekuvunwa sekushisiwe kumqoka ukuthi kungakendeki lokho kube khona lokubambisana nelibutho letekucisha umlilo kwendele ukuthi babe alert babe khona batobona ukuthi noma ngabe kumbe sekuyaphunyuka ngoba ngalesinye isikhathi kuyawuqhamuka umoya lokushako ushika amatima uthathe nje langabe ujikijelele khashane la wangafanele khona nakude ke kubambisana bese kuvela tingoti ukuthi kumqoka ukuthi nelive lonke libambisane nelibutho letekucisha umlilo ikakhulu ngoba nani niyakhombisa ukuthi leso sigaba leso ngisona lenivele nisebenza ngaso naleni ikhuthala kubambisana ngaso nesive elibutho lekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, I would like to take this time to caution the nation on the starting of fires in the various regions of the kingdom. I caution the nation not to start fires willy-nilly. When it is time for rains, the nation must always be in consultation with the National Fire Rescue and Emergency Service in finding ways and means on how to start those failed fires in a controlled manner, because fires have got the habit of outrunning us and getting out of control. As we had the Butimba hunting ceremony down in the east, We worked so very well in consultation with the National Fire and Rescue Service, Emergency Service in the kingdom. They helped us control the fires as we were burning the fields, enabling the wildlife to increase in the nature reserves. I therefore urge the same spirit of collaboration with the nation alongside the National Fire Rescue Services. Please, nation must work with the National Fire Rescue Services in order to control fires, not to overrun and destroy property.
Limutho letecisha umlilo elangeni lanamuhla ngila khona sita Stonebonga ngemsebenzi wonke lenwendako wekudimisela kakhulu wekufaka umdlandla wekukhombisa kuba ngamaqhawe kuthi simo singaba likhuni singaba kanjani kepha nini nasithatha sigaba sekuthi now defender sive live lawuphila nanikhona side lapha ke Stone Thumisa ngemsebenzi wonke kuthi noma ngabe lo msebenzi unebungoti kepha nani ninikela impilo yenu kuthi impilo yenu kungasenza labanye kubonalisa ukuthi nindinikele ukuthi nakusinze sive lesinyenti konke lokho kukhomba umoya lomuhle kakhulu sithi ke asinithumise kakhulu libutho emsebentini lomuhle lenwendako welive.
Firefighters, this occasion also presents us an opportunity to come and share our sentiments of gratitude for the bravery and courage that you so demonstrate, especially after taking this great oath to save and rescue our people in the kingdom. Your courage and bravery deserves to be applauded because you have indeed laid down your lives, even in instances of great danger, where you go and sacrifice to save life, even when it means that at times you might yourself lose your own. For this, we would like to pass the nation's gratitude and thanks for that sacrifice that you continue to do in serving our nation.
Libutho letecisha umlilo wonke umsebenzi lomuhle lenwendako ubonakele namuhla njoba lelanga leli ngilana nani nikhomba tekucisha umlilo ukuthi even inti kanjani kuniketa siqiniseko siveni ukuthi asihlale sinethemba lelikhulu ukuthi noma ngabe kuvela sehlakalo lesinjani nani khona nine kude lokuya kwendeka lokho ke sithi nako siyakudumisa kakhulu phenze futhi kube langa lena la nelive litobonga nekunika tholoqina ukuthi nalo lisemva kwenu kuyo onke ama plan nema programs lenawo labonalisa ukuthi akhulise le department ikhule kakhulu ngesigaba lesifanele ukuthi sitawuba semva kwenu kunisekela kakhulu ukuthi nembala likhule le department yetekucisha umlilo elibutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, your great work has been seen here today. It has been greatly demonstrated where you have actually inspired confidence in the nation, informing the nation that they can rest and know that whenever you are called upon, you are going to be able to save and rescue the nation because no challenge is too big for the firemen. So today is the day as well where the nation comes to share their support for you and to also stand with you in any difficulty that you may face. And to say to you today, the nation is fully behind you in supporting you and ensuring that your social and welfare is well taken care of.
Buthweni letekucisha umlilo sibongela kakhulu nasite Stone Vusela nani nibe netethulo lendethulile kwaba kuhle kakhulu nelanga lelihle netethulo letibonala ukuthi sijabulile lapha sikhumbule bogogo nabomkhulu ukuthi sifanele sibanakelele tonke leto tethulo dikhulu kakhulu nato siyabonga sithi kwanze nalapho nithethe khona elibutho letekucisha umlilo.
On such a great celebratory day, I must pass my thanks for the gifts that you have given unto us, especially the gifts to the elderly, that in your plans and thoughts you have had the elderly in your hearts. For all these gifts, we would like to thank you and pray God's blessing upon you, firefighters.
Butho letekucisha umlilo ngisetanga lapha sibukele ukuthi nasikhuluma ngekuthi ufuna kunakwe konke ama terms and condition nema structures ayo libutho letekucisha umlilo abonakale ukuthi abakanjani ngabuka ngabona ukuthi cha namuhla kufanele kubabe khona la kutawubonakala ukuthi njengoba siqala eminyakeni ophelile sesitawuqala kube nendlela lesitawusale ilandzeleleka kwendele ukuthi ke nale structure senu sime kahle nema ranks lendawuba nawo abe kahle kusabukwa kusesekuqaleni kusetakwendiwa luhlolo lonyenti ngoba nanyalo nje kuyevakala ukuthi ning 600 ngenombolo seninonke kepha ke ngeke ukukhula kwesimo kuyahamba ukhanye ukuthi ke itinombolo tifanele tikhule tengcela nikhona khona konke lokho solo ngema structures lokutawuhlalwa kahle phansi kubukwe ukuthi nanikhula live njengoba lingaka eSwatini nifanele eventually nibe bangaki nasekuthiwa betekucisha umlilo nalibutho lingaka liyawukhona ukuthi noma ngangikuphi sehlakalo evene liyawukhona ukuthi lihlangabetane naso yonke leyo msebenzi leyo ngiyo nayo lebukwako ukukhuthata lona libutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, as I was coming here today, I thought to look into your terms and conditions and also the structure that governs you here in the National Fire Rescue and Emergency Service. It is for that reason that here today I would like to make some new structures that I'd like to put in place. It is not yet conclusive, but many thoughts and research is being put into practice as we look into ways and means to grow the structure of the National Fire Rescue Services here in the kingdom. As I speak here today, I am aware that you are only 600 members of the fire rescue services in the kingdom. Also, studies are still in place to see if this number is indeed adequate to meet the challenges that the kingdom faces from day to day. I am confident that at the end of this research program that I have initiated into your service, we will come out with better structures and initiatives that we shall follow from year to year.
Libutho letekucisha umlilo namuhla ke ngibone ukuthi njoba siyaqala noma nje bakubonalisa ukuthi kusasaqala ukuthi aqaletela kuyabonakala ukuthi ngikhathi sisetawukhula ngato letigaba kubonalisa ukuthi angite nema promotion la tawubonalisa ukuthi labatawubonala ukuthi namuhla bamenyetwe lapha kutokwateka ukuthi going forward kuyembili sekutawubokwateka ukuthi nelibutho letekucisha umlilo nalo litawuniketwe ama structures kubukwe kubobabe kubomake bonke kanye laba professional nalaba ngehlukana ngekuhamba kwesikhathi kepha ke namuhla kutaba nesicaletelo libutho letekucisha umlilo.
Firefighters, as we begin the structural changes here in the department, I have looked to see what promotions need to be announced here today. And this will inform the general structure of the National Fire Rescue Services here in the kingdom. That we shall then, from here today, we shall follow it annually as we come to visit you here at the National Fire and Rescue Department.
Libutho letekucisha umlilo lengidawuba bita ke namuhla labatawu kwathi ukuthi batawuphakanyiswa ngilabataba bo senior station officer to divisional officers kusho ukuthi ke emagama abo bato kwathi ukuthi bato bonwa live lonke ngoba kuba kahle ukuthi ubonwe live lonke ukuthi onaba lababosisiwe kusho ukuthi kuna Aaron Wakatsabete, kuna Robertson Manana, kuna Themba Seyama ngibo ke laba bosiswa ko laba ku senior station officer to division officer.
Today, I would like to announce to you these officers that are being promoted from the rank of senior station officer to divisional officer. I hereby call upon Aaron Tabete, Robinson Manana, and Themba Seyama, who are hereby promoted from the rank of senior station officer to divisional officer here today.
Senibusisiwe namuhla sesinifisela umsebenzi lomuhle nibambisane kahle nelibutho.
You are hereby blessed here today. You should work well with the entire firefighting officers.
Labanye bese batawulandzela libutho letekucisha umlilo ngilaba ku divisional officers kuna Albert N Wakafakutse kube na Samson S Wakamaseko ngibo ke labo lengiba nika namhla ukuthi bataba divisional officers.
I would also like to call upon the substantive divisional officers here today, who are Albert Fagutse and Samson S. Masego. These are your new divisional officers substantive.
Senibusisiwe namuhla sesinifisela umsebenzi lomuhle libutho.
You are hereby blessed today, and I wish you well here today.
Leo batawulandzela kusho ukuthi sekutaba ngu deputy chief fire officer la tawubusiswa namuhla kwathi ukuthi sekutaba ne structure le siba khona lapha kubonalise ukuthi sekutaba nalobukile kube nalosekelako lobonalisako lokubonalisako ukuthi lo nyaka usesemunye batawulandzela ngoba bangibikele ukuthi bomake basaye ku training le emaveni letawubonalisa ukuthi babokwati kubambisana kube nabo babe nabo make kubambisane kepha nje uba usesele ku training sitawubamela baze babuye kahle lo taba ke ngi-deputy chief fire officer kutaba ngu Dennis Z waka Khumalo.
In the new structure that I'm announcing here today, I have your Deputy Chief Fire Officer that I would like to announce. In the new structure, actually, we shall have more possessions of the Deputy Chief Fire Officer. We also need women in these positions to enable adequate gender equality into the fire department. So we shall wait for the women to return, and then we shall then announce the structure as the day proceeds. I therefore announce to you today Ms. Dennis Z. Khumalo as the Deputy Chief Fire Officer.
So busisiwe kuba ngu Deputy Chief Fire Officer Semba ndawusebenza kahle nelibutho letekucisha umlilo.
You have now been blessed as the Deputy Chief Fire Officer. I hope you will work well with the entire department.
Libutho letekucisha umlilo angizange sengimemetele lo tanbuka ukuthi ndawubukwa ngibani njoba nembala libutho inkosi liba khona livele limnike amenyedwe atiwe live lonke ukuthi ngubani namuhla ke ngidaniketa lenginiketa yena libutho letekucisha umlilo ukuthi lota nibuka kusuka namuhla nguye Luke T wakalishaba.
Firefighters, I have never announced to you who shall be your Chief Fire Officer. Today I am here to announce one that shall lead this great organization. I have looked to see an able, fit man that will lead this great organization. And I have seen one in the man Luke T. Lushaba as your new Chief Fire Officer here today.
So busisiwe namuhla kuba ngu Chief Fire Officer so jaga kubuya ngisengakakubusisi. Langa lelikhulu leli
It is a great
nakwenteka
day.
tinto letinjena konteka nalokunyenti uthi awu Chief Fire Officer Lushaba nangoke embikwenu sengimbusisile ngokwemthetho so yawubambisana nalo lonke libutho inkosi lemthume yona aliqize kahle inkosi naye buya elikhanze liphilile lijabulile kude tinkinga nako konke ukuthi ubusisekile namhla Lushaba.
This is the new Chief Fire Officer in the man Lushaba. I hope Lushaba shall take good care of the entire department, that when the king returns here from year to year, shall find that this department is in good care without any challenge, no problems. So this is Lushaba, your new Chief Fire Officer. I hereby bless him here today.
Ngalamagama libutho letekucisha umlilo sesijabulile kakhulu kunibona nekunivusela sinifisela lilanga lelihle kulelanga lanamuhla siyabonga uNkulunkulu uyawusibusisa sonke ebembe kunene.
Firefighters, this has been indeed a great day here today, and we thank God for this great ceremony here today. I do wish you well in the proceedings of the day, and may God Almighty bless us all. Bayethe wena waphakathi wena ungangezindawo uyibubu yesabe kuhle mathola.
Bayaluka ngilo nje ngenhlabathi esiziba imambala ithe ihlezi kumanqanga ibe iyayaluka akube kuhle embube emhlaba wena phakathi bayetho right stand up